felt like a big statement today.
I think the word to describe it is pride. When you have question marks, you have to resolve those question marks straight away. And when you had the emotions that we had last year in that dressing room, you have to make sure that you feel them again to realize how difficult, how nasty, and how unpleasant they are. And then you have to find a way to approach the game in a different way, because the demands were going to be higher than last year, and I think the boys did that extremely well, so I'm really proud of them.
Martin, I think, talked before.
Mikel Arteta, Arsenal manager, says it's a time now to focus on the next game of the Premier League. It's a time now to focus on the last matches of the Premier League, as they have succeeded to get the 3 incredible points away game, as they have punished Newcastle United Football Club for 3 goals and for 2 goals, and he used to say that it's just incredible performance, wonderful performance. Arsenal is just in the right direction, and they have also an opportunity to win Premier League this season. Arsenal has also an opportunity to lift the Premier League title this season, and here Mikel Arteta said that this time it's a time now for the players to fight hard. It's a time now for the players to concentrate on the next match. Of course, that today's game is over, and it's a time now to think about tomorrow. One among of the important things that Mikel Arteta said here is about the support. Fans must have the incredible for the support, as of course it's very important to have the incredible support due to the fact that what they just need this season is to make sure that they win the Premier League title, and of course every player knows well that it's a time now to show the world how Arsenal is big, how Arsenal is big, and in fact it should be quite clear that Mikel Arteta wants to see Arsenal Football Club achieve the Premier League titles this season, as he used to say that they have that opportunity, they have that chance, and the only thing that must make them winning these titles by working hard. Of course, they must work hard. They must ensure that they have the incredible performance on the pitch. It should also be clear that what is just needed now, it's about the incredible performance, understanding, and of course awareness to the players, and the fans are also supposed to support the team throughout the time, away and home games. Of course, as he used to say that Arsenal Football Club fans have always been providing the incredible support to their football club, to their players, as Arsenal players and the technical bench